diddle, diddle, did it, diddle in the bum hole, did it, diddle, diddle, did it, I did it in the diddle, did it. Hallelujah, got your ass for a 50. No joke. I'm shutting the studio down, shutting the studio down, shutting the studio down. That's 100% Cambodian, yo. I riddle your diddle, I fiddle your kiddle, I shit and I diddle. All over these bitches, they all trying to leave, but they stuck in the middle. Diddle, diddle, did it, diddle in the bum hole, did it, diddle, diddle, did it, I did it in the diddle, did it. Bottle of liquor ass for a 50. No joke. I'm shutting the studio down, shutting the studio down, shutting the studio down. That's 100% Cambodian, yo. Bad boy for life, bombing the guys. I'm so fucking gangster, I bomb all the guys. Yeah, freak off, freak off. Come round, kids, have a fucking drink. Now you want that pussy ass tap water, have a nice cup of this cloudy ass Cambodian milk, kids. Diddle, diddle, diddy, diddle in a bum hole, diddy, 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 diddle, digger, digger, I diddy in a diddle, diddy. Bottle of yucca ass for a 50. No joke. I'm shutting the studio down, shutting the studio down, shutting the studio down. That's 100% Cambodian, yo. That's 100% Cambodian, yo. That's 100% Cambodian, yo. That's 100% Cambodian, yo. Hey kids, it's Diddy pop round for a few beers tonight. Diddler the fiddler will look after your bum holes. That's 100% Cambodian, yo. That's 100% Cambodian, yo. That's not Meek Mill's asshole. I'm shagging in the high-def CCTV footage. That's a woman in a Meek Mill costume, my dude. Diddle, diddle, did it, diddle in a bum hole, diddy, 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 diddle, diddle, did it, the diddy in the diddle, diddy. I'll take your ass for a 50. No joke. I'm shutting the studio down, diddle, diddle, shutting the studio down, diddle, diddle, shutting the studio down, diddle, diddle. That's 100% Cambodian, yo. Where's my fucking lube? Diddy the diddler, diddy the diddler, I diddle the riddler, fiddle the fiddler, I fiddle my peddler, fiddle the little, fiddle my diddle the middle a little. If you came to one of my parties and drank my Cambodian murky ass milk, you are going down with me. Bad boy for life, you fucking heard? Yeah. Diddle, diddle, did it, diddle in a bum hole, diddy, did it, diddy, did it, diddle, diddle, did it, the diddy in the diddle, did it. I'm a roll up your ass for a 50. No joke. I'm shutting the studio down, shutting the studio down, shutting the studio down. That's 100% Cambodian, y'all. Bad news, folks. I'm shutting the studio down. It wasn't an easy decision. No. Diddle, diddle, did it, diddle in a bum hole, diddy, did it, diddy, did it, diddle, diddle, did it, the diddy in the diddle, did it. I'm a roll up your ass for a 50. No joke. Shutting the studio down, shutting the studio down, shutting the studio down. That's 100% Cambodian, y'all.